Hello, gorgeous. How are you doing? It's your girl, Choreo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, if you've been here before, you more likely have done my very popular reverse winding, my bad gal reverse wind video, which has garnered like over 100,000 views by now, I believe. I'm gonna link it right here. So we're gonna start with our very famous frog pose, and that's gonna just take the form of 90-degree angle poses at the hip, at the knee, and at the ankles. If that's not available to you, you want to back off of the movement. Make sure you have properly cushioned knees. I cannot stress that enough. If any part of your body is overwhelmingly painful or just painful full stop, forget the overwhelming. No pain does not mean gain over here. Pain is bad. It's an indicator that there's something wrong. Okay? And your body is saying, stop murdering me. That's essentially what pain is. It's what has kept us alive, and I don't want you to start not listening to it this time. So, frog pose, we're holding it for a few minutes. Not a few minutes, what am I saying? A few breaths. So you're just gonna open the legs at an angle like so, right? You're gonna bring the elbows down and just relax in this position. Holding, breathing deeply in and out. For those of you who have sensitive knees, you can put cushions under your knees. I'm telling you, make sure you check that reverse winding tutorial that I did. It's really good, especially for beginners, okay? For now, I'm just kind of getting into it for my advanced ladies. So, hold in and breathe out. And again, every now and then, you can just open the hips as they open a little bit more. You can wiggle the hips so that you feel a little bit more comfortable in it. All right, so that's about 20 seconds. And for me, because I do have sensitive knees and your girl is not trying to get carpet burn on these knees, I'm going to use my very famous flat old cushions. Don't judge me. So they're right here. And I'm going to put my legs on them, and we're going to go again for another set of, I did about 20 seconds of holds a while ago. If you feel like you can hold longer, then go ahead. If you can't hold as long, then modify to suit yourself. All right. So opening the legs right here, shimmying the hips, just bringing the chest down as close as possible to the floor. All right, back onto that movement. Whew, we're gonna do this again, just 2 more times. Whew, yes, girl. After this one, we're actually just gonna go straight into the reverse wind. In my other reverse winding tutorials, I do a lot more extensive stretches. So again, go and check that video. All right. So again, third time. You know what they say, third time's a charm. Push down, open those hips. Just wiggle into it, get down. And 20. Good job. We're going to do that one last time. Whew. Just ensure that your cushions are nice and even. I like to work with the flat ones, but if you have like plush cushions, just kind of, you know what I mean? Until it feels like both of them are at the same level and you're not being overstretched. If it's asymmetrical, then the body's going to be conditioned to become even more asymmetrical than it naturally is. So be conscious of that. Last time. In threes, opening the hips. Stretching down and holding. I feel like we can get up now. That was a little bit more than 20 seconds. Okie dokie. So we're getting right into our reverse wind now. And all we're going to be doing is side to side, hips forward and back. And then we're going to do like a tick tock, and then we're going to do some winding, girl. Yes. All right. So here we go. Let me just make sure that my little video is still recording. Listen, you do not want to be recording or so-called recording, and then when you check back on your video, there's like nothing there. Girl, it has happened to me. So anyway, let me pull down my shorts over my little bamsi. I don't want to be blinding anybody. I'm sure some of you might like that, but this is not what this class is about. So, so here we are on the floor. Let me just check the time, because your girl does have work in a few. Oh, I'm good with timing. So I have my cushions right here. And remember, again, for those of you who are just joining me, reverse wind can take either this position up here, where you just wind here, right? Or you can come down, uncurl the toes just like so, and just come back. One, just like so. Depending on how limber your body is, you may have to take some of my flexibility classes, which are linked right here. So I have hamstring stretches, groin stretches, all those different things that can help to condition your body to do this movement a little bit more better, okay? So again, it's up here or down here, or open those legs out and just drop the hips right in here, okay? So then, position your cushions so that you're feeling nice and comfortable. Only you can tell when your body's feeling nice and comfortable. So here, first things first, we're going to move the hips from side to side. So lifting hip up and drop it down to lift this one. So we're doing 10. 3, 2, 1. 1 and down. 2, 3. We're riding. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Under, push it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax the legs, shake out the legs. So the main reason I'm doing a hamstring stretch at the end of this is because when we are putting all that weight down on our knees, we can tend to occlude the circulation or limit the circulation to the rest of the legs. It can become very painful, and you can actually develop like muscle contractions. So I like to shake out the legs in between, especially getting that knee extension happening, right? We're going to go for it again, and we're doing 4 of these before we actually complete the whole tick-tock. All right, let me just put this up over my head. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, side to side, and 1, and here, 2, right there, 3, here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Under, over, and 1, and back, 2, and back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, push it back, 6, push it back, 7, push it back, 8, push it back, 9, and back, 10, push it back. All right, that's the second set. We're going to go again for 2 more sets. Shake out those legs, relax those hamstrings. Whew. Again, and again. All right, so we're going now for our third set before we go into that tick-tock. Here we go. Getting nice and comfy, hips down. Ready? In 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go side and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Under. 1, back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Push it back. All right, so we have one more set of these to go. You're doing really well. I'm sure the groin area may be bawling off a bloody mercy. If that's you and you feel like you need to take a break, go ahead and take a break. Listen to your body. Again, I can't stress it enough. Over here, pain does not mean gain. All right, this is not that page, okay? Shake out the leg. Shake out the leg. All right, so we have one more to go, and then we're just going to combine tick, 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 4 times right, 4 times left. All right, but I'm going to take a break in between and give you the instructions again. So here we go. Last set of hips side to side and hips under, back and under. All right, so here we go. Position up. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And side, back, side to side. Sorry. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Under, push it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. All right, girl. So then, as I was saying before, we're going to go into just doing the tick. So side, back, side, forward. And we're doing that 4 times to the right, 4 times to the left. We're going to take a break. Then we're going to do a wind, 4 times to the right, 4 times to the left. Then we're going to do our hamstring stretches. And then, baby, we're out of here. Okay? Shake it out. Woo. If you're having any excessive knee pains, back off of this movement. Don't continue. Yeah? Don't try to push through the pain. This is not that page. Shake it out. All right. Whew. I remember, try to breathe throughout these movements. It can become very intense, but don't forget the breath. It's very important, especially the muscles. They love nice, clean oxygen. All right. So here we go. We're going for our tick tocks for this side, for that side. We're going to take a break. Then we're going to do some whining. Here we go. Open the legs. And this is nice and dynamic. So it's going to go side, back, side, forward. All right. So here we go. 3, 2, and I do also have a reverse whine tutorial, a bad girl reverse whining tutorial that's very much Jamaican inspired, where the TikTok goes like pa 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 pa. You can check the link right here for that one. For the purpose of this video, we're just gonna do the basic TikTok. All right, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Tick, tock, tock, tick, and tick, tock, tock, tick, and tick, tock, tock, tick, and tick, tock, tock, tick. Opposite side. 3, 2, 1. Tick, tock, tock, tick, tick, tock, tock, tick, tick, tock, tock, tick, tick, tock, tock, tick. All right, shake it out. And now we're going to go into our whining. So it's just simply 4 whines to your right, nice and sweet and sexy. 4 whines to your left, nice and sweet and sexy. And then we do our hamstring stretches, and girl, we're out. Here we go. Ready? Legs down. In 3. Make sure you're nice and comfy for this one, because this is going to be nice and slow and sexy. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Remember, you can repeat these exercises as many times as you want. It's your body, it's your prerogative. Do what you want. So then, let's go to our hamstring stretches. Whew. I know my body's been wanting this. So, stretch the legs out. That's super tight. Super tight. So then, I really wanted us to do a half a split, but let's start here. Jesus, super tight. Super, super tight. tilt the pelvis forward, and we're just walking forward with the hands. Super tight. Aye. Let me tell you, reverse winding can definitely tighten the muscles behind the legs. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, I'm just gonna hold on to the toes, pull them back, still tilting the tailbone back, cocking the body back, and just really intensifying that stretch on the hair. If that's not available to you, then continue to put the hands right here and just reach forward from the hips, not the back, okay? Because then you wouldn't be focusing on the hamstrings. It'd be mainly like the back that you're trying to stretch. And you can stretch your back, but that's not what we're doing right now, okay, sweetie? Here we go, reach forward. And hold in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax it. Okay, I think I'm ready to do that half split. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to keep one leg forward. I'm going to bring the other leg back just like so. Do what's available to you. If you want to continue doing the first stretches, you can do that. That's fine. But I'm just giving you a little bit more option here, right? So here we're holding and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, goody. Opposite side for me. That's this side. Here we go. Holding. 3, 2, and 1. We hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. And then what you could do as well, just to end this exercise series, is just get up to a wall. It could be your bed, but I want you to keep your legs straight and just put the legs on the wall. And as you're comfortable, you can keep the knees relaxed at first. And as you're comfortable, you bring the bum closer and closer to the wall and just kind of hang out here for a little bit. All right, so I'll just kind of stay here with you for about 20 seconds. And then when the video is over, you can just like continue if you want to, or repeat the stretches, or repeat all the exercises from the beginning. Okay, so here we go. And I like to peel my toes back so that I'm getting an intensified stretch. If that's not you and just hanging out here is fine, then you can go ahead and do that. All right, so that's where I'm going to end again. Oops. If you want to continue doing these exercises, you can continue doing them. This is where I'm going to end it for today. I'm so happy that you came today, that you're here with me today. Comment below if this video is effective for you. Comment below how much more exercises or what different styles of dancing you want to learn. I'm your girl, Choreo. I'll see you later. I'm going to drop all my contacts below, my Instagram, my TikTok, and I hope that you follow me on all platforms. My Twitter, I don't really use my Twitter so much. I'll try, but I really don't. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, later.